I know, but what if fate has given her the chance to change? What if fate has given her the chance to change? Mary, please. Mary, please. Don't let your sense of pity take over. Don't let your sense of pity take over.
Yeah, Kurt might be sweet now, but
God, don't forget how he's treated you the last few years. How he's treated you the last few years. Alright, sis. I'll be careful. Bye.
Thank you for taking care of me. Thank you for taking care of me.
Oh, Kurt. This decision wasn't easy to make. But it just couldn't go on like this.
What did I do wrong?
You cheated on me. Repeatedly. And then you even had the nerve to bring girls right here. And also, you bit me.
What?
You bit me.
What? Did I raise my hand on you?
Yeah, a few times. I even had to take days off so I wouldn't have. To go to work with bruises.
I just can't believe. Did I really do this? Did I?
Wait, no, stop, Jared, don't do that.
How kind of monster could hurt a woman like you? How kind of monster could hurt a woman like you? I just can't believe. So sorry, Mary. I don't know how to earn your forgiveness. Mary, put up. I'm still up. Mary, put up. I'm still up. I'm begging. Mary, I'm begging. Please forgive me. Forgive me if you can.